Cargo transportation is an important part of the economy. It is responsible for the movement of goods and materials from one location to another. The cargo transportation industry has seen a lot of changes in recent years. With the advancement of technology, the sector is expected to see even more changes in the future. In this video, we will take a look at some of the most important cargo transportation projects of the future. Watch and learn about the latest projects in the works that will change the way we move cargo around the world. From autonomous ships to flying delivery drones, the future of cargo transport is looking very exciting. Number 1. Nuuva V300. The Nuuva V300 is a two-winged hybrid aircraft. The Nuuva takes off and lands vertically because of the 8 Pipistrel E811 electric motors attached to it. Pipistrel's type-certified electric engines provide the V300 with improved safety and dependability, and the company claims it operates 10 times more cheaply than today's helicopters. When compared with the current batch of fledgling all-electric eVTOLs, the range and load-carrying capacity of the Nuuva V300 are far superior because the piston engine powers a generator, which in turn continually recharges the batteries powering the electric engine components. The gasoline capacity of the Nuuva V300 is 108 gallons, and the internal combustion engine could even run on either avgas or premium car fuel. The Nuuva is 33 feet in length, has a wingspan of 43 feet 4 inches, stands 10 feet tall, and can carry up to 3,750 pounds in the air. These features provide a smooth takeoff and landing, while a single propeller in the pusher configuration provides the thrust needed for cruising. Nuuva can fly for up to 162 nautical miles, but this range increases to 1,500 nautical miles with weights as lightweight as 100 pounds. The maximum payload is 1,014 pounds, and the range is 50 to 60 nautical miles. Thanks to its efficiency and autonomy, the Nuuva V300 aims to increase the operator's profit by a factor of 10. Number 2. Volvo Vera. The Volvo Vera is a completely electric, driverless vehicle managed and monitored by a control room of a company. The futuristic truck excels in routine jobs, such as relocating stock in a warehouse. Volvo Vera is powered solely by electricity. Both the battery and the drivetrain are identical to those found in Volvo's electric trucks. Volvo Vera can be used in major transportation hubs such as ports. Vera can transport a great deal of merchandise without slowing down or making mistakes. Since the Volvo Vera is a completely autonomous vehicle, it may operate whenever it's needed. Since there is minimal disruption, uninterrupted shipping is feasible. It's possible for large logistics parks located inside the city borders to function at night without producing any noise or exhaust gases. That way, they may keep working no matter what time of day, which is very useful in urban settings. The versatility of the Volvo Vera allows it to be adapted to a wide range of uses. It's safe to say that the Vera truck can drive itself. It can pinpoint its location within a few millimeters. Moreover, it can monitor its surroundings and other vehicles in motion. It has a lightning-fast response time and moves slowly. In order to go at such a secure and precise pace, a slower speed is required. Additionally, it records the battery's charge level, capacity, and due date for maintenance. Operations of logistics are improved thanks to the control center's real-time vehicle tracking. It also aids in making more cars available at times of high demand. Sharing the load across vehicles on the same route might increase productivity. The truck guarantees to improve precision and turnaround time by establishing a fully autonomous, efficient supply chain. Number 3. Amazon Scout. Do you feel too sluggish to go get a drink from your cooler while watching the Super Bowl? Envision yourself as the owner of a little cooler that you can wheel down sidewalks at a gradual rate. The Amazon Scout is Amazon's newest creation and is responsible for this future robot's ability to make your life easier. Amazon Scout is a 6-wheeled package delivery robot that can go autonomously to deliver products to consumers without risk. Customers who utilize Amazon Scout place a purchase on the site and are then informed that their package will be delivered by a robot within a certain window of time. At one of the neighborhood vending machines, an employee places the goods into the machines, and then the Scout is sent out on its own. The consumer is alerted again when the robot has arrived, at which point the consumer can pick up their shipment. Once the buyer has closed the cover, the Scout will head back to its base. In 2019, Amazon began testing Scout in the Seattle region. In 2022, it is already spread to Atlanta and Franklin, Tennessee, as well as Southern California. Are you excited to have Scout in your area too? Number 4. Atlantis Highway Truck by Roman Dolzenko. The autonomous and electric tractor Atlantis has cutting-edge engineering and a sleek futuristic style, as is typical of today's technological marvels. The electric vehicle is striking in its unique appearance. It has a 3-axis foundation on which the engine, battery, autopilot, communication, and control systems may be installed. As the trailer sits on a single axle supported by a large wheel, it can be considered a hybrid invention. Level 5 autonomy will be available on Atlantis, with no separate areas for the pilot. Level 5 autonomous vehicles will be able to go on any route that has been mapped and is capable of being driven by a person. When the user enters an address, the car will take its passengers to their destination. Delivering perishable supplies to specific destinations without human interaction will be a huge time saver. Number 5. DDC Condor. The Condor, DDC's newest and biggest freight drone, also boasts the company's longest range. The Condor, DCC's next-generation drone delivery cargo aircraft, exceeds all previous records for both cargo capacity and range. It can carry up to 400 pounds, and it can go up to 200 kilometers. A cutting-edge, gas propulsion engine provides thrust for the Condor. It has a wingspan of around 20 feet and can take off and land vertically. It is 22 feet in length, 5.1 feet wide, and 7 feet tall. New engine design, smart lithium polymer batteries, touchless cargo drop, optional public address system, and aircraft parachute are just some of the features available now. The goal of this new feature is to make it easier for drones to fly above humans in the future, which might create new economic opportunities for business-to-business and business-to-customer retail home delivery services in urban and suburban locations. These projects are expected to revolutionize the way goods are transported around the world. We can only imagine what the future holds for cargo transportation. For more on future vehicles, be sure to like and subscribe.